Namaskar everyone, welcome to our show Sloka Satymevjayate. You can tell the condition of a nation by looking at the condition of its women. This is a very famous quote by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Women constitute around 50% of India's population. Contribution of women is vital in transforming India into a developed nation from a developing nation. But are we really utilizing the half of the population of our country? Are we allowing them to contribute in India's economy? To discuss this issue, we have Nabiha Fatima from Stage IGCSE. Welcome Nabiha, welcome to our show.
Thank you for having me, ma'am.
Please sit. Thank you for showing your keen interest on this social issue. Tell us about your topic in brief.
There is a very famous quote of former French Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte. Give me an educated mother, I shall promise you the birth of civilized and educated nation. But my question is the role of women is only limited to marrying, having children and educate them? What about our dreams and aspirations? To discuss this, I have chosen this topic.
You have chosen a very relevant topic, Nabiha. We became independent in 1947. Right now, we are in 2023. Do you think the mentality of people are changing?
Earlier, women were denied education. They said they just need to cook food. Why should we waste our money on their education? Now, as the society is progressing, families are allowing their daughters to study. But the mentality remains the same. They make us study so that we can become a good educated homemaker to a wealthy man.
Have you ever faced this type of discrimination, or have you seen anyone facing this kind of discrimination?
No matter how much we deny it, but it is a still major issue. I have seen someone close to me facing this issue. That is why I chose this topic. And I'm pretty sure every girl in their life must have thought at least once that if I were a boy, my life would have been easier.
Well said, Nabiha. That's actually true. In conclusion, do you want to say anything?
At the end, only thing I want to say that we are humans, not a baby producing machines. We have our own dreams, aspirations like men. Do not make marriage our biggest achievement. Let us do bigger and greater things. Let us make our country bigger and greater.
Thank you for your insights and thoughtful perspective, Nabiha. We appreciate your time and effort. And thank you audience for watching our show. I hope you enjoyed watching Sloka Satymevjayate.